Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unpackaging for you. Now this arrived today. I actually ordered this around about 3 weeks ago and it's only just arrived. It's a bit of a mixture really between the Royal Mail strikes and this item being out of stock on the website. So I don't know what's going on with the Royal Mail at the moment, because some things I'm receiving very, very quickly and other things I'm still waiting for. I've ordered some items over a month ago and the tracking's still not arrived. And then some items I can order and then 2-3 days later they turn up. So it's really, really confusing. You think it would affect the same areas for the same periods of time, but that just doesn't seem to be the case. I've also sent the 1 ounce channel bar to Future Investments, and I think that was sent about 2 weeks ago now, or was it a week ago? I can't remember now. It was definitely over a week ago that was sent, and it still hasn't even got any tracking updates. So yeah, really, really strange times at the moment. So yeah, anyway, enough ranting about Royal Mail. Hopefully they get back on track soon. Hopefully they give the workers their pay rise or whatever they need to do to get things moving again. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. As you can see, it's from Shards. I've ordered from this company many times before and I've always been happy with the quality of the products they send. I paid extra to have capsules and they've actually put the coins in the capsules for me, so that's a nice touch. Just got a business card in there as well. I will put that on the screen. I'm not sponsored or anything by this company, but they're always just really, really good at what they do. And like I said, the only reason this took so long to arrive was 1, the Royal Mail strikes, and 2, these 2023 Britannias have proved to be very, very popular. Everyone rushing in, buying them in the hopes that they're going to be worth a premium in the future due to them being a special year. They're going to have the Queen and the King both on the same year. So yeah, these look quite nice condition. They're only bullion, so you don't expect them to be perfect, but quite happy with the quality of these. You kind of come to expect some milk spots on the raw mints coins, it's a shame to say, but it's kind of a given now really. Hopefully in the future they'll fix their processes, but I can't see that happening anytime soon. Yeah, all look very nice. I've actually got another 5 of these on the way. And to be honest, I'm just kind of buying them when I see them for a fair price. From the actual Raw Mints website, they've got quite a high premium on these 2023 Silver Britannias. Whereas if you shop around on some of the other websites like Shards and some of the other UK bullion websites, you can actually get them £2-3 cheaper than on the actual Raw Mint website. So that's what I've been doing. Yeah, let me know what you think. You've seen this coin before. You know the speculation around it. It's got high potential to hold a bit of a premium in the future. I just think it would be really nice to have 2 coins side by side, one with the king on the back and one with the queen on the back. Very quick video there just to showcase my latest pickups. Let me know in the comments section what your latest pickup is. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos and I hope you have a nice day.